All I need is 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Let me give it all.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Ilikehairwig.com. Okay, and I must tell you, once I saw this packaging, I was like, this is giving me designer vibes, like a Hermes box, you know. So I open it and I got this card. On the inside it says, "Hi, I'm what you have been waiting for." Really cute, has their social media platforms listed, and the wig is here, you know, on the little tissue paper bag. And they actually put two of these inside. I got this pouch with like an edge brush and comb. I got two clips. It's really cute. It's branded Ilikehairwig.com. And I got a wig cap. I got a rat tail comb, and that's it. That's everything that's in the box. For today's wig, we're working with a curly wig, okay, and it is a closure. It's 22 inches long, by the way. Good. It even comes with an extra elastic band on the inside of the cap and adjustable straps in the back. A total of 4 combs on the inside, and the lace is a medium brown color. It is pre-plucked, and the hairs in the front here are a bit nappy, but it's pre-plucked really nice. I don't know if you guys can see, but I can't wait to go ahead and put it on because it's gonna be really quick. It came with like a pre-center part in there, but you can really part it on the side if you want. That's how it looks. It's a nice space. And I know a lot of people are slowly getting into closure wigs more these days because of the convenience. So I'm with you on that 100%, but I'll never give up my lace fronts. But I'm with you on the convenience of a good lace closure. The hair feels nice and full, and the curls are very tight. I know it's going to be pretty once I like wet it up and give it a wet look. It's really nice and full. Am I getting shedding? Minimal. I got 3 strands there, but yeah, it looks really good. It's full right to the tip of the hair. It's not like stringy, so that's a good thing. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on for you guys.
All I need is 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you.
So I'm actually going to go ahead and use glue for this install. I'm really excited for it. You know, the construction, everything, it feels really snugged on my head, and I love that already. Really nice and snugged. So I actually did my natural sideburns because this is a closure wig though, and it's curly, so it goes perfect. So I cleansed the area already. Actually wipe out the area, ensuring there's no residue or anything. So I'm going to do 2 layers of glue for this. I might even do just 1. Yeah, I think I'm gonna, because it's going to be for like a short-term install. So
Will I ever get through to you? Oh, am I wasting my time? Should I leave for the night? It's unclear.
as I always say, guys, when you're applying glue, you want to be careful, like with not applying the glue onto your edges or your hair any at all, because it will, you know, rip it out. Yes, you can remove. I remove my glue with oil or alcohol, but like if you get the glue on your hair, it's going to be a mess, you know.
Can you give me a sign? I'm here trying and trying. I need 10 more minutes with you. So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you give up hope by now. So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you?
So one thing I noticed with the hairline, like it's really nappy in the front, it's shorter and it's really nappy, but I can imagine once, I feel like they did that to help with the edges. So I'm excited to see how that looks when I go ahead. I'm gonna use some eco gel to lay the edge, but I don't need that much hair. You see what I'm saying? Like it's really short hair in the front, so I feel like to how blunt it is, it probably was intentional. So we're gonna see how it looks, but I love the size of this closure. Perfect for vacation. Perfect. Only did one layer of glue, as I said, and it's holding really nicely. I used Ghost Bond today. I actually used Ghost Bond. I switched it up a bit. Hair blends right in on the side.
Yeah, I just wanna go back home. Can't do this anymore.
Guys, I don't know, but so far I feel like this might be one of my best, my favorite lace closure wigs. The edges blend in with my natural edges on the side. Like I did my sideburn on the side. It's the texture perfect. The texture is perfect. Perfect. And the lace looks so good. It looks so good. If you don't want to do any baby hairs, you don't have to, because the lace looks real good. So which closure wig? Me, at least, I've never been able to like fully pull back both sides of my closure wig and do this and show the front like it's a lace front. Yeah, it's a 10 so far. So what I'm gonna do is such a really easy install. I'm gonna take my elastic band, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna further I'm gonna use my hot comb to kind of like lay this in. These parts are really nappy, but I think it's quite clever what they did with the edges. It gave more of a natural feel with the edges for the texture. It really blended with my curly texture, my natural hair curly texture, as you can see. So that is a plus. I love that. But before I do that, I'm going to tie it down for a little bit. This is gonna melt everything down even better, and then I'm gonna go in and just finish up with this wig look. But I'm gonna get a little glammed, and then I'm gonna come back. What I forgot to tell you guys is actually that this lace closure is a 7x5. It's the first of its kind. It's the first time I've ever encountered a lace closure like this. One of the reasons why I'm loving it so much so far, and that's the reason why the edges, it came like that nappy texture. It's really nice, and it made life way easier for me. As you can see right now, I can pull up back the entire front of the wig and it looks like it's a lace front, but it's not. It's just a real nice coverage lace closure wig. I showed my sister what I'm going, she was just mind blown. Like, it is different and it's genius. Honestly, I love the fact that they did this with a closure wig. It's perfect. It's so perfect, and the lace is completely melted. I did my makeup and I'm back, and the wig is looking bomb. It's looking so good, so good. I can't pull, because I don't know if you guys realize, I really love to pull my hair back when I have on a wig, or I just pull my hair back overall. I don't really always like everything to be done in my face. If the hair is down my face, more than likely it's probably going to be like a side part kind of vibe, where one side is down and the next side is not. So I love the convenience of this and how easy and realistic this 7x5 closure made things. Oh, and it's wide enough, you can feel free to go ahead and give it a side part. You can get a nice side part out of this. Like, you really could. You could go as deep as right there and do a nice side part. Like, it looks really good. I'm gonna use some concealer to just get the area really nice and pronounce, you know, a nice deep part. So I have this leave-in cream, right? It's really nice. I use it on my natural hair and it makes it feel so good. This has coconut oil in there. It's so nice. It smells good. I love how it leaves my natural hair feeling. My natural hair leaves it super curly, really soft, very silky. It's amazing. I love this. It's an African Pride product. So I'm going to apply just a tad, because if you're too heavy, like, it's, you don't need a lot, okay? A little goes a long way. So
things you said. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope by now. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope. I need 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. 10 more minutes, or 10 more minutes.
you see the difference? Oh my gosh, this gave it such an amazing sheen, and I didn't do a lot. It feels so good. It feels so good. I can just imagine when it dries down how nice it's going to be. So, as you can see, this is how everything looks. The hair texture, like the quality on a whole is just a 10. It's a 10. It's a 10. I like Ilikehairwig.com. Yeah, the first impression is really good. It's the first time I'm working with this company, so I must say, like, the quality of the wig is really good. And as I say, I think it's a plus that they made the hairline really kinky, because it really blended with my natural hair so nicely, and it gives that very believable look. I think this size closure is very convenient. Like, you could go in with a nice deep side part, as I showed you earlier on, and it would look so good. Just the same. I feel like if they had this in different textures, I could see myself wearing it a lot, like say in a body wave or a loose wave, because sometimes with a full-on lace front, like say you're going on vacation over time, like the first part that would start lifting is like the ear portion, at least for me. And so the fact that I don't have to deal with that, I just use my natural sideburns, that makes it so more convenient. So I love that. The texture of the hair, it's super soft, minimal shedding, as I said before, and it looks really good, really good. So that's good. I'm going to be sure to drop the direct link of this wig in my description box, as well as all the specifications, so you guys can go ahead and check out this wig. I definitely recommend it. It's a 10 for me. And yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and wig up on yourself.